Dessert, three-course meal on a train. Like, what is life right now? What is life?
Did you know that on the Amtrak train they offer three-course meal for you if you are booked inside of a suite? Well, we figured that out when we took a cross-country train trip. Where do we go? From New Jersey to California. You can see the whole vlog on our family channel. But stay tuned here when we'll show you the food that we ate on the train.
Half coffee.
Cake. Ulaha.
Stop eating my picture.
This is huh?
That's your seat number. I'm sure he got it right. Alright. We'll.
It's a little spicy. It's supposed to be a white wine.
I got a flat iron steak with some mashed potatoes and
It feels like it's cooked well done.
eat it
Well
up.
done.
Oh. You compare Cheesecake Factory one more time. This is my
I
favorite.
swear to God, they do. They make
We
the best
heard that this is the best carrot cake of all time. And this is a cheesecake.
Yeah, they will charge you.
Blueberry cheesecake. And then we got a chocolate torte. Dessert, three-course meal on a train. Like, what is life right now? What is life? I had some Chardonnay earlier. Yo, there's some stains on my...
It's empty.
Yo, I had my white balance messed up, but I'm gonna set it again. This is the carrot cake. Look how look at that. Jiggle, jiggle. My money don't jiggle, jiggle. It folds. I don't know who you wiggle, wiggle. For show. How's that cake, baby?
It's alright. It tastes like a cheesecake.
Tastes like a cheesecake that you get from Walmart.
It tastes like a cheesecake.
Like a good cheesecake. Chocolate torte. And too sweet. I had that for lunch. Alright, moment of truth. Let's go. Is this the best carrot cake in history? Look at that, how that cuts. So smooth. Let's go.
Stop grabbing the flower.
Pretty good. Wife tries the carrot cake. Is it delicious? Dun, 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 dun. What is that face? The best carrot cake ever heard.